Hi guys! Naimbitahan ako sa Korea. Ngayon, malamig pa lang bansang yun. Nilagnat ako. Ganito suot ko oh. May juwit sana kami. To all those times, I felt the happiness with you. Even though you never felt the same way too. Never why, but no why. You had in your heart. It had letting go, leave it all behind is something I never lose to find. Did it hurt to know that it takes life? But did you tell me that let you back and everything you give? You fell for me and said I had your heart, but you just let me back and never tried to catch me at all. So down at you and try to just forget or just that was a hand and all that sa'yo lapit, di ganun yung nadarama sa'kin. Ngayaan mo, so'y malilimot na ng pahako. Ito ang damat na natapadapad na natataw pa rin. Nagagawa kita ay ito mga mata. That's where it headed to. Just but my papa's apart. I could last in a while. One thing's better memories never directly to me. We were never meant to be. Ah, diba? Yuri yung gana ang ulam. Gata ang ulam. Laing at adobo pa. Daing na may kasamang bagoong noodles. Para ka sinawsaw sa sinanga. Huwag mong lalagyan ng betchin dahil tiyak ako ay Guys, Yan ang dahilan kung bakit hindi kami nakapag-duet. Nilagnat ako. Malamig pala sa Korea, ganito suot ko. See-through, ano ba yan? Ay, Diyos ko. Hi, bye-bye.